Okay, so today we're going to make some freestanding Christmas tree table place names. The first thing we're going to do is go to the shape panel, scroll down till we get to festival, open that up and scroll right down, and we're going to grab this tree here. Just click it and that'll bring it in. We're just going to close these up, zoom in. Okay, so the first thing we need to do, I'm going to put it onto the score layer and we're going to ungroup. So now everything is ungrouped. So then we're going to delete all the insides. And the tree is still joined. It is in fact a compound vector. So we're going to release the vector. So then that splits everything up and delete the inside. Now, I like this star on the tree, so I'm going to join this up by bringing it down. Once you see the blue line in the middle, that tells you that the star is in the center of the tree. So with it just intersecting, zoom in, we can now select both the star and the tree and choose Unite. This joins everything up. Now I'm going to resize the tree to about 100 millimeters tall. Zoom out again, and then we are going to go up to the Align panel and choose Align Center. This drops the tree in the center of the board. So the tree is at the right height, 100 millimeters. We now need a base for the tree to sit in. So if we go to the shape panel and choose circle, I'm just going to click and drag and make a nice oval shape. With the oval shape, I'm going to choose 60 millimeters width. No, 60 millimeters width. And I'm going to unlink the width and height ratio. So we can alter this separately and choose 30 millimeters. So now this oval is 60 millimeters by 30 millimeters. And I'm going to align it horizontally. Okay, and zoom in. So now we need a way of connecting the tree so it slots into the base plate. So if we go back to the shape panel and choose rectangle, I'm going to click and drag and make a rectangle. With this rectangle, we want to join it to the bottom of the tree. So I'm going to choose 16 millimeters wide, and the height of the rectangle will be the thickness of your material. So if we unlink, I'll be using 3 millimeter material, so I will choose 3 millimeters, and we want to align horizontally. And what we want to do now is just bring that up so it's just at the bottom of the tree. Just like that. And we can select the rectangle and copy and paste another one and drop that inside of the oval base. And if we select the oval base on the slot hole and go up to the alignment panel and choose Align Center, that drops the slot hole in the center of the oval base. And if we now make that a compound path, we can see that this is one piece. With the bottom of the tree, we have the same slot hole, which will be a tab. I'm just going to make that a little bit taller so it really intersects with the tree. Zoom out, and we can select the rectangle and the tree and go to Unite again. This then makes the tab connect to the tree. So now we can actually slot the tree into the hole of the base plate. Now we can go to the text tool to add some text. I'm going to choose Mum and choose a different font, something nice. There's lots of fonts. I can spend hours in the fonts. Oh, I don't know. Let's choose Dancing Script. Click off and then we can move it. I'm going to put that onto the engrave layer. So we have Mum in the middle. And for the tree, if we go to the shape panel and go to basic shapes, we can add in a star. Close that down. We can resize the star by dragging on the handles, make some small stars, and if we copy and paste, we can just drop these around just to give it a bit of decoration. And then we can zoom in, just manually move them around, angle them a bit, just give them a bit of variation. You can even scale 1 or 2 up, use the arrow keys. And then if we select everything, shift click on the Mum text, which will deselect it, and then we can just choose to make compound, which then joins everything up to be one piece. And we can choose the Mum, and we can move that down here, and we can move it onto a red layer. So that would be engraved. That would be the tree cut out. And there we have a freestanding tree, which you can apply to any type of object that you wish. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please like and subscribe and leave any questions you have in the comments. Thanks.